Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Halti Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Halti Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Part of the startup's pitch deck should be a market slide. Here's what investors need to know about your startup's target market. Who is the target customer? A good market slide segments the customers into categories and highlights the ideal segments for the startup's product. Next, the market slide shows how many potential customers are in the target market. And finally, the slide shows how the startup will compete in the market. The market slide does not show the total size of the industry, but rather the total amount of revenue the market can generate for your startup. The market slide shows three views of it. The total available market shows the total amount of revenue from your product that could be generated annually. Service addressable market shows the amount of revenue generated minus the applications the product cannot address. And the service obtainable market shows the service addressable market minus the revenue that goes to competitors. Consider these points in building the market slide for your startup. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us with today. Halti Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.